Hi, this is Kayla Baker, and this is my presentation on volcanoes. What happened when I did the experiment was that it fizzed up and started rising when adding everything together. It also turned foamy when it was rising. The paper towel also expanded and rose to the top of the bottle. Why did it happen? I believe it happened because when mixing vinegar and baking soda, it makes a chemical reaction and one is an acid and the other is a base. Here is some proof of me having all the materials. The first photo is a picture of vinegar, one of the bottle, and one of paper towel, and baking. Here are some facts about volcanoes. One is in eruption, gases and rocks shoot up through the opening and spill all over and fill the air with lava fragments. Eruptions can cause lava flows, hot ash flows, mudslides, avalanches, falling ash, and floods. Number two, there are more than 500 active volcanoes in the world. More than half of these volcanoes are part of the Ring of Fire, a region that encircles the Pacific Ocean. Number three, an erupting volcano can trigger tsunamis, flash floods, earthquakes, mud flows, and rock falls. Number four, the danger area around a volcano covers about a 20-mile radius. And then I gave the link of where I got these facts from. I'm going to show how I did the experiment. I have a paper towel with some baking soda in the paper towel. Now I'm going to add the vinegar. So it's fizzing and it's rising to the top, and the paper towel is expanding in the bottle, and that is my presentation.